Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot of things to get done, so I thought I would record a video to motivate you to get some things done around your home. So I'm starting out by dusting my wood floors. I am using a Swiffer sweeper and a fuzzy sock, which may sound odd, but I've shared this tip before. It is awesome for picking up the dust and hair and things in your home. I have to pick my plant up there so that I can dust under my table, but I really like using this for dusting my wood floors. Also on my list is fall clothes. I just got this order from JustFab and they are sponsoring today's video. I've talked about JustFab before and I have so many great things from them. In fact, I wear that pink coat with a fur collar a lot in the fall and winter and I get asked about it all the time, and it's from JustFab. So I'm taking out these clothes. I got a few new jackets and shoes that are super cute. So I can't wait to pull it all out and put it away. But first, I'll be trying it all on for you guys. These are so cute. I can't wait to try these on. I did want to mention I have a link below for JustFab where you can get your first JustFab style for as low as $10. That's 75% off your first item. You can use my link, and I'm going to be trying everything on later in this video. Okay, now I'm going to mop my hardwood floors, and I did get a new mop. You guys know I loved my Rubbermaid Reveal, and I had it since I started YouTube, but I went to replace it because it had a little bit of rust on it. I think it was coming from the inside mechanics of the mop or something. Anyway, I tried to replace it and I could not find it anywhere, so I was wondering if they quit making them. So I got this Clorox mop. I think it's called a Clorox Ready Mop, and I like it so far. I've had it for at least a month, and it has two sides, so you can use it to dust your floor and then flip it over and use the other side for the mop. I already had the Swiffer sweeper, and like I showed at the beginning of this video, I like to use the fuzzy sock because it works really well, but the duster on this mop works great too. And I am using the Method wood floor cleaner. I've been using that for a couple of years and I love it. It doesn't leave streaks on your floor and it smells amazing, like almonds, and I always get it from Grove Collaborative, and I get asked all the time if I dilute it, and I do. I buy it in a big bottle and it lasts for a really long time, and I usually fill the spray bottle a third of the way with the Method cleaner and then the rest with water so that it is diluted, and it works really great. Leaves your floors nice and shiny and your whole house smells amazing. Since my floors are drying, I thought I would come in and try on all the pieces from JustFab. I love this top. As you probably know, snake print is totally in right now. I see it everywhere. And I thought this was a great way to add it to my wardrobe. So I can wear this top right now since it's hot, but when it gets a little cooler in the fall and winter, I can pair it with a black blazer or cardigan. I also got this bracelet from JustFab and I love it. It was a really great price and I can wear this with so many different things. One really great thing about JustFab is that you can take a 60-second style quiz and you'll receive a personalized showroom of pieces that are catered toward your own style. I think that is so great because sometimes you just aren't sure what to select, so they help you out. I am loving these two sweaters. You know how much I love off-the-shoulder sweaters. When you become a JustFab VIP member, you get 30 to 50% off and free shipping on orders over $39, and you have access to members only sales and exclusive VIP events, and there is no commitment to order monthly as a VIP member. I love these jackets. I really wanted some new fall jackets and I love these. I love the fit of them. Also on my list for fall were tan booties with a low heel, and JustFab did not disappoint. They have so many boots, booties, sandals, all kinds of shoes, and they are really affordable and so cute. I have quite a few pair of shoes from JustFab. I love these. They were exactly what I was looking for. These shoes are so cute. I just had to have them. They come in several different colors. I almost got them in gray, but I thought the tan would go with my wardrobe a little better, and I just love them. They're really great quality too. You can see the stitching is really nice. The detail is lovely, so can't wait to wear these. You can use my link in the description box below to get your first JustFab style for as low as $10. That's 75% off. Alright, now that my floors are dry and I had the fun of trying on all my new clothes and shoes and jackets, I must get back to work. So I am washing my cleaning cloths, and you could see how full the basket was. I use non-chlorine bleach to wash them, and I wash them in hot water. And I usually do these once a week. The basket was full because we had a couple of bigger towels that we used for things like drying our car off after we wash it or whatever. And I don't use paper towels, so I go through a lot of cleaning cloths. I also throw my mop pads and things in there as well. Now I am cleaning my fireplaces. This is actually part of my zone cleaning, so I don't do this every week or anything. But I did notice after living here for a little bit that this needs to be cleaned regularly. So the screen gets dusty, especially in the summer when it's not being moved much. So I have a mitt that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just run my hand along the screen and it picks up the dust and it works really well. And then I just wipe down the doors with my vinegar and water mixture that I use for glass. And because we have stainless steel tile around the fireplace, I'm using my Steel for Real. It's by Method. I love this stainless steel cleaner. I get that from Grove Collaborative as well. It can be kind of hard to find, but it works really well on stainless steel, so I use that on my appliances as well. And for the marble tiles, I am just using what I use on my granite countertop. So I'm using the Method cleaner in the basil scent, and I buy the large bottles of that as well and just dilute it with water, and it lasts forever, and then you don't have to buy all those plastic bottles. So I really like that, and it does a good job on granite and marble. I had a basket of towels that were in the dryer from earlier, so I'm just going to fold these and put them away. Don't forget to check out JustFab. You can see they have really great pieces on their website, and their website is incredibly easy to use. You can use my link below and get your first JustFab style for as low as $10. That's 75% off your first item. And these are the picks for me. I love the loafers with the leopard print and these booties. I think I need those. I think they picked some really great things for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it motivating, and I hope you have a productive day as well.